Hello everyone. We continue with redox reaction. In our last video, we have seen how to balance a given redox reaction by ion electron method, which is also called half reaction method. Now, today we will be first solving one activity question which is given on page number 88 of your textbook, and then we will try to understand how a redox reaction is used to generate electricity with the help of electrochemical cell. Okay, so let's come to the question which is given. See, on page number 88 you will find a table is given and the question is classify the following unbalanced half equations as oxidation and reduction. Means four half reactions are given, means either they are oxidation or reduction. आपको बताना है which type of reaction it is. Okay, तो first column में आपको questions दिए हुए हैं और second में आपको बताना है whether it is oxidation or reduction. So let's solve it. First one you can see it is Cl minus changing to Cl2. So just see the oxidation number of chlorine. On left side it is -1. On left side chlorine is -1. So on right side what you find? On right side you will find chlorine is changing to 0. Chlorine is -1 and it is increasing to 0. So we will say the reaction is oxidation, because we know increase in oxidation number is what? ऑक्सीडेशन. सो -1 से 0, ये कितना था? -1. और Cl2 का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर 0, मीन्स इट चेंजेस फ्रॉम -1 to 0. दिस इज इंक्रीज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर विच इज कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन. लेट अस फाइंड इन द सेकेंड रिएक्शन व्हाट इज द टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन. OCl-. हाउ आई विल कैलकुलेट फॉर क्लोरीन हियर? ऑक्सीजन कितना है? -2. क्लोरीन आई वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट, सो आई विल राइट x. okay, इक्वल टू आई विल राइट चार्ज -1. सो x का वैल्यू कितना आएगा? x will be -2 on right side when it goes 2 - 1 is +1. तो क्लोरीन इधर कितना है? +1 और इधर कितना है? -1. मीन्स फ्रॉम +1 it is reducing to -1. so obviously the reaction is of reduction type. Then FeOH twice and FeOH thrice, it is very simple. OH का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट होता है -1 एंड दो OH है तो -2, मतलब Fe is +2 and here because there are 3 OH the total is -3, means Fe is +3. So from +2 to +3 it is changing. So this is again oxidation because it is increase in oxidation number. Then if you see the last one, vanadium oxides are given. V if you find out here, how I will do? Vanadium का oxidation state we don't know, so let us take that as X. Okay, vanadium I am taking as X, oxygen -2 and the net charge on this ion is given +2, right? So X will be what? +4. So vanadium is +4 on left side and it is given that it is +3 on right side. So this is again decrease in oxidation number. So the reduction reaction is the type of this reaction. So this is how, just by seeing how the oxidation number changes. If it increases, it is oxidation. If oxidation number decreases, it is reduction. We can solve this type of the question. Okay, now we will try to understand how electricity is used to generate, how redox reaction is used to generate electricity. And for doing that we should first know construction of a Daniell cell. Okay, it is this electrochemical cell with the help of which redox reaction takes place and hence electricity is generated. What this Daniell cell consists of? It consists of two half cells. Right side में आपके पास जो है उसमें copper है which acts as cathode and it is dipped in copper sulfate solution. Okay, left side mein you are having zinc plate or zinc rod which acts as anode, and this is dipped in any zinc salt solution. It may be zinc sulfate or zinc chloride. These two half cells are connected with the help of a U tube. This is made up of glass, and this U tube, U shaped glass tube, is containing either KCl gel of KCl or it is containing ammonium nitrate in agar-agar medium, and this is a gel type substance which is filled in this glass tube which is called salt bridge, and the use of this salt bridge is to connect these two containers. Okay, now these two plates which are called electrodes, anode and cathode, are connected with the help of electrical wire, and there is a switch and a voltmeter to check the movement of electrons and whether the circuit is complete or not. When the circuit is complete, we know electrons will flow from anode towards the cathode. Now we will first write what are the half reactions which are taking place in the reaction. Remember students, right side में हमेशा cathode होगा and cathode always undergo reduction. It is very logical then कि left side में anode होगा and anode undergoes oxidation. तो लेफ्ट साइड में हमेशा ऑक्सीडेशन और राइट साइड में रिडक्शन रिएक्शंस होता है. लेट अस राइट दीज रिएक्शंस नाउ. सपोज आई स्टार्ट विथ जिंक. Zinc plate is consisting of what? Zinc atoms which are in the solid state. Now these zinc atoms, they undergo oxidation by loss of two electrons. We know loss of electron is nothing but oxidation. So zinc atoms from the zinc plate, they give out two electrons and hence the charge on the zinc will be what? Zn2 plus. So 0 से plus 2 हो रहा है, it is oxidation. There is loss of electron, it is oxidation. And where this reaction is taking place? It is taking place on the anode. Now these electrons which are lost by zinc plate, they are immediately picked up in the electrical circuit. The zinc plate acts as anode as already said, and the copper on right side will act as cathode. When the electrical circuit is completed, electron flow will start. Electrons will flow from where? From zinc plate. It will flow towards the cathode. Now what is the reaction at cathode? The copper ions which are present in this solution, they will take the two electrons which is coming from left side. Why they will pick up these two electrons? Because they are in need of two electrons, since they are having plus 2 charge, and it will be neutralized to copper atoms which will be deposited on the copper cathode, and the reaction is called what? Reduction. When I try to add these two reactions, what net reaction I will get? The two electrons will get cancelled, and the net reaction is what? Zinc in the solid state is added to copper 2 plus ions, right? It changes to Zn2 plus and you get copper in the solid state. This 2 is obviously in the solution form, so you may write aqueous, right? So you find the reaction is actually a redox reaction where zinc is undergoing oxidation. Where zinc is undergoing oxidation from zinc 0 to zinc 2 plus, right? And copper ions is undergoing reduction. Copper ion is undergoing reduction, and this redox reaction will be used to generate electricity, which we will continue how electricity is generated and what we mean by electrode potential, what is meant by redox couple in the next class. For today, you just tried to understand what is the construction of Daniell cell and how redox reaction takes place in this Daniell cell. Actually, this is a displacement reaction, and we have already seen that displacement reaction is nothing but a redox reaction. We will continue next time. Bye bye.